Ki pulit ke East Khas Hills kilara ben penlong ka jingtwet ka bajori ki briu ke badan kti hak ba persyang thombor bat kawang petrol bom yaki police station. Ka jela kala saki ka jingsha thombor ba kha jong ki police station menta usnam hak ba ka jing thombor ke badang shen e kala jia dang hakini kindat singi baladam persya ya karenja police station. Kumju ka Maulai police station, Sadar police station bat kalai mkra police station ru kila syak pen kala sok pedung hakinong thombor dang ha ubnai yayong bat jemang baladam. Superintendent of Police ke East Khas Hills ubak Sylvester Nong Tenger haba jubab ya ka jingkeli ulaong bahalor ka jingjia kam thombor hapo renja police station ki pulit kala register case bat ka jing tokit kalayat syakman haringkat ka jing penting kena banyok kem yaki priu kebedan kti. Ulaong ru bagi pulit kila syemi ki senjam ki bating e halor kini ki jingjia syak thombor ki police station. Ha kebayade bat kalap ngkra police station case ki runar kedang beteng bandan hapo along ha kini ke sausan benai ong USP hapa pa ya ke kubor bating e persya ya kinong lek kam beman. Ki pulit kin lek dak bating e ya ki ngila ban omyo ya pi mentala ni lasha hendringin ya beteng bantwet man la kasngi. Kum ki pulit ngin hap ban lek ya la ka jong ka kamram. Kinu ki balik ya ki kam beman ngin twet bat bet thong ya ki ula benram. Nalor kata ubak Sylvester ula ongru bak katanat pulit kala perkat ru halor katong ka hakmat ban pendat no daki CCTV habaro police station.
That is of course that we have been perhaps maybe that police station is little bit in a corner maybe or I don't know what is reason but we have researched the case and investigation of the case is on progress, so definitely we'll get the culprits in the course of time. We have taken stringent actions. Some of those who have been burned vehicles, particularly Lime Kra, for instance, Lime Kra. So case has been arrested, and right now I think the culprit is still in the jail. So I think for the past 4-5 months must be still in jail. So our message is that whoever commit crimes will take action. We may not get today, we may not get tomorrow, but any day will run after them. Okay. There was and repairing will be there, and under the smart city also there will. So that is CCTV is our priority. So hopefully we can repair and also install a new one.